Hello, this is Alan at Drone Pilot Ground School, and in this short screencast, I'm going to walk through what the inside of our Part 107 test prep course looks like. You can see that the course is organized into modules and then lessons within each module. We've got some housekeeping lessons at the top to kick things off. I'd like to call attention to our daily and weekly study plans, which you can use to stay focused and go through the course at a pace that makes sense based on your schedule. I also want to show you the different ways to contact us. If you read our reviews, you'll see that we are known for our excellent customer service and have a dedicated email and phone number. But we also have this really cool Ask a Question by Voicemail button if you want to leave us a quick audio message at any point as you're going through the course. The meat and potatoes of the course are modules 2 through modules 8. And then in module 9, we're getting into your full-length practice tests, how to book your exam, what to bring with you the day of the exam, how to apply for your license after you passed your exam. So it's not just test prep. We're supporting you every step along the way to make sure you get that FAA remote pilot certificate. Beyond that, in module 10, we've got some bonus lessons, things you're not going to find in other Part 107 test prep courses, like how to conduct airspace research, business tips, photo and video tips, how to fly, things that many of our students find to be helpful as they're getting into the drone industry for the first time. The course does track your progress lesson by lesson, and I'm going to open up a specific lesson here to show you, lesson 2.5, operating limitations, that in our videos, it's not just PowerPoint presentations. We've got dynamic text, motion graphics. We really try to keep this process for you as least of a dry process as possible. We make it fun and even crack a few jokes along the way. So in each lesson, you've got the video at the top, you've got lesson notes, you've got a quiz, and then below the quiz, you've got answer explanations to each quiz question. You are not going to find answer explanations like ours in other courses. Each one of them is custom written, and we really try to teach you the why behind each question, not just what the right answer is. The last thing I'll point out is that at the end of every module, we've got a recap with key takeaways and flashcards that you can use to reinforce what you've learned. So that is a quick overview of the course. I really hope that you'll consider enrolling with us, and thank you so much.